Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Shopify Learner. In our many last videos, we tell you how to design the Venture Shopify theme. In this video, we tell you how to design Shopify free theme debut. So without wasting our time, we start our work. We just go to our home page, Shopify Learner. Here we can go to online store, and in this we go to theme section. In the theme section, you can see there is a upload theme button. You can simply click on it and also upload the theme from your computer. Hence, our today topic is to how to design the free theme Shopify debut. So we can enter on the explore free themes. Simply click on debut. In the free theme debut, you have got two styles. One is default and the second one is light. So we choose the default mode here and click on the add to theme library. Hence you can see they can start adding debut. After some time it will be added to your store and you will be able to customize the Shopify free theme debut. Now we click on customize button. When you click on the customize button, then there is dashboard open. You can see one side there is a number of sections appearing here, and at the other side there is a preview of these sections. So the first one is header. You have two options for the header in debut. Logo is left aligned and the logo is center aligned. If you click on the center button, then you can see the logo will be centered. And if you want to use a left align logo, then you can also use this. After this, there is a logo image. You can simply upload any logo image here. As we have our store logo, so we can upload our store logo here. After this, you can also change the width of logo from 100 to 245, 250 as you wish. As you can see, here is 140 is the best for this, so you can select the 140 custom logo width. After this, you can, if you want to show some announcement here, so you can simply click on show announcement button. You can also change the text here. For example, you can want to write here free shipping on all orders. You can also attach it with the some link, such as we have collection baby. I want to attach the baby collection, so you can click on the baby. So this announcement will be connect to baby collection. When you click on it, it will redirect you to the baby collection. After this, there are two options for the bar background color and the text written inside it. You can also change the bar color. For example, I can change it to red. So our header section is complete for the debut Shopify theme. Our next section is image with text overlay. How you can redesign it, I tell you. For example, if your store is about men's fashion, we can simply add some men pic or men fashion pic here. After this, there is an image alignment. You want it for the top. As you can see, it will be top aligned, middle aligned, and the bottom aligned. There is also a layout. You can see there is two type of layouts, full width and fixed width. With the fixed width, you can get this picture, and with the full width, you can get that layout. After it, there is section height, text size that is written in this section. After this there is heading. How you can change the text in image with text overlay. We can simply write here is men's fashion, and you can also write some text here. After that there is a button label. We want to show here is shop now button, and want to attach it with some collection. We connect it with the dresses. Our image with text overlay section is complete. Our next section is image with text. So we simply click on it. When you click on it, you can see there is image option, image alignment option. You want it to appear the image left or right. So you can simply click on the left side or right side. You can select some image here which you want to show on your store. We can select this. As you want to write here any heading, you can also write it. I write here women's fashion. You can also replace text with some good text for the woman fashion. You can also get it from some other websites. After there is also a option for the button label. I want to show the button like shop now here under the woman fashion. I can connect it with the dresses. The next section is text column with images. As you can see, there is 3 sections in it, and in each section there is an image, heading and text, and also the button option is available. So you can select some image. I can select some shoes here. You can write shoes. You can replace the text with any text you want. After this there is a button option available here. You can connect it with some button. As you can see, in the same way you can also design the other image with text column with images sections. If you want to remove the other ones, then you can also remove it. As you can remove the whole section, that's why that cannot appear. So you can deselect the text column with images in the add section column. We can remove the other two. And here we can write the shoes. We can want to show the shop now button and attach it with the some collection. I attached it with the all collections. So friends, our column is complete. Next is a featured collection section. You can also select some collection here. I select the dresses here. I select shoes. So you can see the shoes appear here. You can also change the name on it, shoes. Other is image with text overlay section, that is also our first section, so you can pass it. Next section is testimonial. You can show your customer reviews here, customer review in the text section and the author name in the next section. You can replace it with the other name, such as I replace as Omas. Next section is gallery section. You can replace the image with anything you want, such as I select that pic. If you want to give some link here, then you can select the shoes and caption on it, shoes. So you can see there is a caption appear here. Our next section is the footer section. In the footer section there is a quick link options, newsletter, and the menu option. You can also select some menu here, and you can also show your social media icons like this way. I copy these and put in the text boxes. So you can see the social media links appear here. So guys, with this our today video is ended. So we can tell you in this video how to design the Shopify free theme different section. So first we tell you how to design the header of the Shopify free theme debut. Our next section is image with text overlay section, and after that there will be image with text section, featured collections, image with text overlay, testimonials, how to show your customer reviews in the testimonials. After that there is a gallery section where you can appear your different images and also add a caption on it. After this there is a text column with images section, how you can add the images, text in it, description in it, and how to add the button in the text column with images section. After that there will be our next section is footer section. In this section we tell you how to add the menu in footer section, how to add the newsletter in footer section, and how to add the social media link in the footer section. So guys, with this our video is ended. Kindly subscribe and watch our whole video. Thank you.